Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing high-value keywords and mapping them to pages. This prevents internal competition and clarifies focus. Use search volume plus intent to pick 5-10 targets, then assign one primary keyword per page so rankings aren't split. Once done, create concise page briefs, heading, subtopics, and target keyword placement. Make sure to include related LSI terms for context. This setup accelerates content creation and signals relevance to Google, so move fast and be precise. Now you create the content and engineer on-page signals that search engines read. Write thorough pages that answer user intent, mix short answers with deeper sections, and use headings for scannability. Then optimize title tags, H1s, meta descriptions, and clean URLs. Place the primary keyword early and variations naturally. Once the page exists, add schema markup, compress images, and ensure mobile layout is flawless. Make sure internal links point to priority pages, because internal equity helps pass ranking power. Finally, you launch and monitor results while iterating quickly. Submit the sitemap and track impressions, clicks, and index coverage in Search Console. Use analytics to watch behavior metrics. Simultaneously, build contextual backlinks from relevant sources, steadily over weeks, not days. If progress stalls, run a focused audit. Check content depth, user signals, crawl errors, and toxic links, then fix prioritized issues. One key troubleshooting tip. If traffic drops, compare the page to top-ranking results to spot missing intent elements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.